specifically when the panel discussion happens between members which are coming from a different industrial fraternity, then you definitely get very contradictory views, as you can see. So it is very nice that the panel discussion was facilitated, and we could listen to some views which are across from a bigger industry perspective, and also from some sort of solution providers.
I think the panel discussion was pretty interesting because we had a variety of views and we had a variety of vendors and users as well. The panel representation was also, I think, pretty good because we had people coming in from automation as a push from B&R, which I think specifically representing a high level of automation.
To get smarter, we need to communicate. To get smarter, we need to talk about the smarter ideas that exist in the industry.
This session has given us much more insight as to what manufacturing sector can benefit from supplier point of view as well as from a consumer point of view. Thank you very much.
Around the challenges, whether it's focused on supply chain, whether it's your product development related challenges or your manufacturing related challenges, what sort of solutions will be suitable to address your specific issues?
I think we were successful in planting a seed into the audience, and let's see how it goes. Thank you.